Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll solve the problem where we find the smallest prime number strictly greater than a given number. This program combines loops and prime number detection, which are great for understanding modular arithmetic and efficient number checking techniques. Let's dive in. The task is to find the next prime number strictly greater than a given integer. For example, for the input 3, the result is 5, as it's the first prime number greater than 3. Prime numbers are integers greater than 1 that are divisible only by 1 and themselves. We'll use this property to solve the problem efficiently. The function nextPrimeNum starts checking numbers from num plus 1. For each number, it tests divisors from 2 up to its square root. If no divisors are found, the number is prime and it is returned. This approach ensures we only check relevant divisors, making the solution efficient for small to medium-sized inputs. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. First, start checking from the next number after the input. Second, we test if the number is divisible by any smaller number up to its square root. Third, if a divisor is found, the number is not a prime, so move to the next one. Finally, when a prime is found, return it as the result. Let's walk through some examples. For an input of 3, the program checks 4, which is not a prime, and then 5, which is a prime. The result becomes 5. For 17, it skips 18 and finds 19 as the next prime. For 29, it skips 30 and returns 31. This step-by-step process ensures accuracy and efficiency. This is the ES6 version of the code, which uses modern array methods for compactness. It creates an array of potential divisors using keys, checks them with every, and returns the first prime found. This approach is concise and demonstrates how modern JavaScript features can simplify the logic. To summarize, we've built a program to find the smallest prime number strictly greater than a given number, or integer. By testing divisors up to the square root, we ensure efficiency, and the ES6 version simplifies the logic further. This program is a great example of combining loops and conditional logic in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you next one.